Writing your hotel's SOPs shouldn't feel like a root canal. I'll share how to create your hotel's SOP manual step by step without the stress. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Ever feel like you're spinning plates while juggling knives? And a guest just asked for a gluten-free croissant at 10:03 p.m.? If you're an independent hotel owner, you're not alone. Running a hotel without clear systems is like building a sandcastle in the tide. Beautiful until it isn't. You need structure, but not the kind that strangles. What you need is a hotel SOP manual, one that actually helps, not haunts your dreams. And guess what? You can build it without losing your mind or locking yourself in the linen closet with a bottle of wine. Let me unpack how. Why you can't afford to wing it anymore. You may have started with good instincts and a smile, but as bookings grow, so do the cracks. One day, it's a missed wake-up call. The next, your night porter decided the minibar, just a suggestion. Guests notice. Reviews dip. Staff gets snappy. And you're back to covering the front desk during Sunday brunch. A well-crafted SOP, or Standard Operating Procedure, manual isn't just a checklist. It's your hotel's playbook, culture keeper, and silent partner when you're off-site, or just plain offline. It saves you from micromanaging and gives your team confidence. It's not bureaucracy, it's freedom. Picture this. Your dream hotel, alive with the buzz of happy guests and a thriving business. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But here's the truth. Great hotels don't just happen. They're built with a clear plan. I'm Jerry McPherson, and in the Vision to Reality, your guide to opening a hotel, I'll show you how to turn your vision into a successful, guest-focused property. Want to learn more? Click the link now and take your first step toward making your dream a reality. Start with what's already working. Don't invent processes from scratch. You're already doing a lot of it now. Next time you check in a guest, pay attention to how you do it. Do you offer water? Ask about allergies? Share your Wi-Fi password with a handwritten note? Perfect. Write it down. The same goes for cleaning routines, late checkouts, social media responses, and even the way you fold your toilet paper. You know that fancy triangle fold? Ask your team what they do daily. Most likely, they've already developed informal SOPs on their own. Capture those. Start with one department at a time. Front desk, housekeeping, maintenance, food and beverage. Go with the most urgent or chaotic first. And yes, chaos is a great compass. Keep it short, sharp, and shareable. If your SOP looks like the next Booker Prize nominee, nobody will read it. Each SOP should be one task per page, step-by-step in clear, active language, no fluff, no fancy words, save bespoke for the cheese menu, visual when possible, photos, screenshots, diagrams, cheat sheets. Let me give you an example. Clean room 203 is not an SOP. Housekeeping, standard room turnovers. And under that, bullet points. Announce entry. Collect laundry in blue bag. Replace amenities. Vacuum, mop, final check. Sign housekeeping log. Repeat across departments. Done is better than perfect. SOP templates are your new best friend. Want to know a real hotelier secret? Templates. You don't need to build your SOPs from the abyss. You can customize what already exists. Use free templates online or pull it from software like Trello, Notion, or Google Docs, or copy from your own experience. Remember, it doesn't have to be pretty. It does have to be functional. Train with it, not just for it. Don't let your SOPs gather digital dust. Use it during onboarding. Refer to it during your staff meetings. Update it monthly with team input. When something goes wrong, resist the urge to rant. Instead ask, is this in the SOP? If not, let's add it. Reward staff for suggesting updates. You'd be surprised at how many want structure. They just didn't know how to ask for it. Vision 1 beats vision none. Waiting for the perfect SOP manual is like waiting for a unicorn cab to pick you up at 5 a.m. in the rain. A simple, usable version today beats an ideal version 6 months from now. Start with your top 5 procedures. Build from there. You're not writing the Magna Carta. You're writing how to unlock the breakfast fridge. Simple, repeatable, empowering. Running a hotel without a plan? That's like sailing without a rudder. Romantic until the storm hits. Get your independent hotel blueprint. 7 proven steps to calm the chaos. Download it now before the next wave hits. You can find a link in the show notes. What's one SOP your team could use today to save everyone time and stress? Let us know in the comments. So, your 5 key takeaways for this episode? SOPs save time and stress. Start with what's working. 1 task per SOP page. Templates are gold. Train and tweak often. You didn't open your hotel to become a full-time firefighter. An SOP manual gives your business rhythm, clarity, and sanity. Start small. Keep it human. Let it grow. You'll sleep better knowing your staff don't need to text you at midnight to ask for the spare keys. You want more? This topic is just one part of the bigger picture we cover in the Hotel Owner's Roadmap, Start, Manage, and Grow course. Dive deeper, get templates, and join a community that gets it. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.